Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable call screening on Snapchat, follow these step-by-step instructions to filter incoming calls and manage who can contact you through the app. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in to your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner of the camera screen to access your profile. Step 3. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Snapchat settings. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Privacy Control or Who Canned Foresee to access communication settings. Step 5. Look for Contact Me or Call Me option within the privacy settings. Step 6. Tap on the Call Settings option to see who is allowed to call you on Snapchat. Step 7. Select your preferred privacy level. Everyone, My Friends, or My Friends Except, to control who can initiate calls. Step 8. To screen calls more effectively, choose My Friends to block calls from users who aren't on your friends list. Step 9. Additionally, manage notifications for calls by going to Notifications in Settings and customizing call alerts. Step 10. Test the call screening by having someone who isn't on your friends list attempt to call you to verify the settings are working properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.